another Epicflows Production.
Yeah. Teacher, that one here go sound like it recorded from behind the bars. Up to the time, you know it's Vybz Kartel, Lisa, Hanna. Some politicians go on like them hot and hype, but really Adi is the only minister of the youth and culture. Dancehall is Vybz Kartel's forte. So you know what they want to say night or day. So what do I say? Tell the minister of Instagram to go bill no man. Oh.
What you know about Miss Chin? Him have a sexy daughter flying from foreign. She used to listen hip hop all around the clock until she meet the teacher and want me alone she rock. Me bring her in my bedroom, she sit down for me.
Teacher, remember the lawyer boy that said if you try to clean up the lyrics look a bit, so I could try to do that. Water, Vybz Kartel is quite capable of cleaning lyrics on his own. Guys, I'm say.
What you know about Miss Chin? Him have a sexy daughter flying from foreign. She used to listen hip hop all around the clock until she meet the teacher and want me alone she rock. Me bring her in my bedroom, she sit down for me converse. Anyway we converse, me tell her some me love shoes, but we do it raw. Me no love boots. Some boy I play Dora while your girl me a explorer. Listen Bala, you just run out of luck. I your girl, but I mean she want.
Teacher, clean up.
Listen Bala, you just run out of luck. I your girl, but I mean she want farm with. You find the formula, but you that a baby thing. The Gaza man get her wetter than the Navy's him. Adi the topic all the time, every day team. Them discuss me, till it discuss me. Me have to spit. Find a working girl, make she quit. Adi like the gal them, we have the fat.
Teacher,
find a working girl, make she quit. Adi like the gal them, we have the fat cleavage. Lisa, you the teacher was a fanner, woulda take you on a date and another. Have you ever done it on the beach? Cabana, heavy one entitled to them speech. Miss Hanna, the teacher got a question for you. Are you a freak? Is this a conspiracy? Why the teacher you pick? Put your mouth on me.
Adi, now say another word, Gaza. We are cut it and come back later and finish it. How that sound?
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Ready for epic.